We is in Houston. 2 out of 10, okay? Oh, they also give us Houston, I was about to say Texas Roadhouse. 2020. Houston rodeo. Yeah. Hey y'all, he is currently in Houston now. What time is it? Oh, it's 3 o'clock. Wait, so it's 3:54? So it's basically 4 o'clock. Yeah, the line. So this is the line. All the way to up there. We just got our luggage and stuff. My suitcase is dirty, y'all. I'm gonna have to show y'all how dirty my suitcase is. But it's like 80 degrees here. And yeah, this is the queen. I'm gonna get back with y'all. We have some more, like when it's not chaotic for real. So yeah, period. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. As you guys have read into by the title, y'all know what type of video this is gonna be. We is in Houston. I like our B&B, y'all. It's real cute. Cool. It's real cool. Real cute. Yeah. I want a breath. I just ran up the stairs to get my phone. But it says 7:25, so that means it's 6:25. And we just chilling right now. I think we about to go get something to eat. I need to touch up my edges, so that's what I'm about to do. Cause yeah. Okay, so I'm about to show y'all the Airbnb we got. This is the living room. This is the garage. Very spacious. No gas. It's like it was dark in here, y'all, but this is a patio. Let me unlock it. Oh, I just locked it. This is our patio. Backyard. I don't know why I kept saying patio. It's nice. Just real patchy. Real nice. And then the bathroom right here.
That door. I wonder to have bathrooms.
The bathroom is right here, y'all. Right. Okay. Real cute, real cute. This is room 1. Then it's got a closet. So you can wash your stuff at. Oh, this another bathroom. Period. Then this the master. Why I keep blurring up? And then the masters connect. What do this connect to? Oh, the closet. Wow, very spacious. Okay, the masters is tea. Okay, period. All right, look at this shower. And then this is the third room, y'all. Boom. No TV, and then it got a closet. And then this is just like a little chill area, where somebody else can lay their head. And that's it, y'all. Okay, so y'all, I did not bring my edge is really already laid down. I didn't even bring my flat irons either. Dang, I'm just not realizing it. It's cool, but I ain't bring my long tripod either. So we're gonna have to make do what we do with this. One side got edges and one side don't. But we do. Anyways, y'all gotta make sure y'all go. Y'all gotta watch my maintenance video in order to watch this one, because I went through a lot through this maintenance, y'all. I went through a lot, but I'm glad we here. Thank God we here, y'all. Period. Cause baby, let me see. Eesh, and that's how it's gonna have to be, y'all. I don't even got my flat irons, bro. At least I'm cute. And I'm gonna get back with y'all. I don't know why I just said my stomach like that, but I'm gonna get back with y'all when we actually do something. Cause I just don't want to be renting, you know. Cause I think I'm just gonna record the whole 4 days of us being here. So this is just day one, not the full day one, but it's just day one. Us rewinding, and I think we is supposed to go get some to eat. All right, y'all. So we at a food truck place. This is where we about to eat. I'm gonna get the chicken egg rolls. What you getting?
I'm getting the big boy, the Philly egg roll, and fries and drink.
Oh, what that man said?
Yeah.
Okay.
Philly and chicken. Chicken and steak.
Okay, and then we gonna rate it, y'all. We gonna let y'all know how much we like it. Let's hope it's good. Let's hope it don't take too long.
Food truck area.
Yes, y'all.
Philly boys, cheesesteak.
This is all black owned too, y'all. So
You don't got the address.
no, I don't got the address. So yeah, y'all. I'm gonna let y'all know. Okay. Okay. 10:08, y'all. I didn't get back to y'all, but we did go to Walmart. We did go to Walmart, and the food was good.
It was good.
Yeah, it was good. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna get back with y'all tomorrow, cause yeah. Hey y'all, so it's currently 11:20. We haven't been doing nothing, but I do got some jewelry. What's some new jewelry for my piercings? Well, just for my nose and my industrial, but I don't think I'm going on my belly, but I don't think I'm going to change my industrial or my belly. I think I'm just about to change my hoop. So we're going to try it out to see if it works. But this still, I might change it tomorrow. I don't know. And then this is a crossbar. But I just want to change it to this rhinestone hoop. So let me close the sink. I'm in a master's bedroom. That's what's going down. Let me get your body right. Okay, so we're gonna try. I had got this off Shein, but I be seeing this in a TikTok shop, and they be having like this little puller like that. Wow. Okay. So my nose is very flaky. Well, my whole face is flaky too, y'all, and I don't got my stuff, so it's cool. Okay. So party at the beach down in. Okay, so look, y'all. I'm untwisting it. Oh, it's right there. Okay. So let me pull this. Party at the beach, down it. Y'all, one of my buns. This bun is coming loose. It's very loosey. But until it come out, then that's what I'm fixing. I need to go in. Okay. Okay, period. Grab it. Like so. Ooh. Can y'all see that? Y'all see how it's grabbed like that? Party at the beach, down it. Okay, this is gonna be cute. So then you need to put it on your nose. And I can't see, cause I need my glasses. Okay, I got my glasses. So, see, like my nose and stuff is real flaky, y'all. And my eyebrows. And I don't got my stuff. So, I'm just gonna have to work through it. Okay. Okay, do it, y'all, actually. I'll be back. Okay, y'all, I did it. I'm not really feeling it. I did it upside down. That's probably why I don't like it. It took me forever to put it on, so yeah, I don't like it. Yeah. But I'm about to get in the shower, so I'm gonna talk to y'all tomorrow.
That's whatever.
Good morning, y'all. Good morning, y'all. It's 12:39. Been up for a minute, but I just got like up and moving. I just brushed my teeth. Y'all see my lashes, they look a mess. We about to fix that. I did just pull them off because that was irritating my eyes. So I just pulled them off. Yeah, I did put these things onto my eye patches because, baby, I don't want to look tired. So this is my wash bag. Like I just said, I just brushed my teeth, wash my face and cleaned out my ears. And this is what we're gonna be using today too, y'all. Cause we're going to the rodeo today. And I gotta focus. I gotta lock in with this. And then this the pajama set. Yeah, this pajama set is like like 3 years old. From my HBCU college tour. Yeah. I'm surprised I still can fit it, but yeah. Okay, so y'all, we about to do a quick errand run to Family Dollar and to McDonald's. Don't ask why we going to McDonald's on vacation. So let me give y'all OTD. So this is what I got on. Okay, so I got this squirt on, a bodysuit, my Kurt Geiger purse, and then my Kurt Geiger slides. Just something real cute, real chill. And then let me show you what the Marion got on. Okay, never mind. Let me tell you. 1 second. Alright, so this is what the Marion wearing. So you got this Texas shirt on.
It ain't a Texas shirt.
What is it? You said it was Texas.
It's
I would say hood rich anyways. Okay. And then this is the back. Then he got these great pants on. And then he got the shoes that everybody wanted. How you feel? Do you feel famous?
Because I got to get the shoes everybody wanted.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Okay, so y'all, we about to go to the rodeo. So I'm about to show y'all my rodeo outfit. Here, Demario. Can they see? Okay, so I'm about to give y'all a OOTD. So this purse, Marc Jacobs. This belt and this outfit is from City Trend. And then my shoes is from Shein. And that's the queen. We about to go to the rodeo. We just wait on everybody else. Yeah, y'all. I had bought me a cowgirl hat, but then I realized I can't wear it because my horns. But okay, so y'all, we is in line for the rodeo. Oh wait, so we gonna get on these?
They gonna drive us, so they better help their ass up here.
So yeah, y'all, we gonna get on one of the shuttles. I'm gonna get with y'all when we get there. And it's currently 4:24. We on the shuttle.
Right.
That is. Look at all these people right there. Yeah, look at all these people back here. It's a lot of people. But we ready, y'all. We ready for the rodeo. Alright, y'all, we in here. It's packed. Not even right here though. But yes, it was packed. It's packed everywhere. Let me show y'all.
Yeah, I'm saying they don't got good enough. They don't.
This is right here. We just walking. As of right now, y'all. So yeah.
Yeah. Valentine. Woo, woo, woo. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. 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 Woo, woo, woo. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Woo, woo, woo. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Woo, woo, yeah.
So y'all, the ride that y'all seen, that's the one that me and Demarion just got on. Yeah, it wasn't bad or whatever. We walking around right now though, trying to see what we get on. I don't know if we're about to eat or what. It's not as bad though, because we're not inside for the concert. That's what everybody was talking about. The concert had, because it's not bad. My age is with it out though. But it's a cool little breeze, a cool little feeling. So.
Ain't lower. That's what I see. That's what it's there for. Gotta hit in the middle.
So y'all, it's raining a bit. That's why my camera looks like that. But this is what we about to eat. We about to get some burgers, some here. This they menu, y'all. We a little damped, a little bit, so.
A little drenched.
A tad bit. But we gonna rate the food and let y'all know. Okay, y'all, we got our food. My edges is, what is the word? My edges is.
Gone.
This is wobbly.
Yeah.
And I got this lemonade. They scare me.
It's nasty.
No, it's good, but it's like I had to pay for it because she already had made it.
You ain't asked.
I was trying to use my voucher. I didn't know we had to. Then it's the bun. It's the burger. We both got a cheeseburger. This burger ain't it.
They pissing me off. I'm wasting money and shit.
This barbecue sauce.
Yeah, they pissing me off. I'm wasting money and shit.
So look at this. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna get back with y'all later. Just know this burger is a 2 out of 10. Okay? Oh, and they also gave us both of our stuff was $15 each. So it came up to $40.
Bro, this shit bullet.
Alright, y'all, so we just played that game and this is what we won. We going back though, we going back. Right, Demarion? Okay, so y'all, we're taking a sit down break right now, but I want to show y'all all that hard work paid off. Show them, Demarion. 22 2026 Houston. I was about to say Texas Roadhouse. 2020 Houston Rodeo. Yeah, period. We finna go get some dessert and then we about to go.
Fuck home.
Yeah. What time is it? It's 8:37. We got here at 4 something. 3 something. That's even worse. Okay, so y'all, we made it back. I just got out the shower situated. It's currently 11:17 and but we were supposed to do a bonfire and everything, y'all. But Demaria procrastinating. Yes, she is. Yes, she is. So we shall see. I'm gonna get with y'all if we do, but if we don't, I'm in the night here. My feet is throbbing. My feet was so dirty too. Don't ever wear no sandals to rodeo. I'm gonna get with y'all later. I got me some water. So yeah. But yeah. Or good night. Good morning, y'all. It's the next day. We supposed to go ATV right there. Oh, these edges. I must fix my edges. I'm basically ready. Let me give y'all TK. So this is the top I'm wearing. These pretty little thin shorts. These real old. And then I got on these Walmart shoes. They don't match. They like navy blue, but I didn't want to mess up any of my other shoes. So this is what we're gonna have to do. I'm trying to do. I don't know. Maybe I think I am gonna redo my edges because yeah, just like lay them down a little bit. Just the part of the two swoops, not the sideburns. Because right after we go ATV right, we go on jet ski because it's right next to each other. I'm saying because a lot, but okay, so yeah, we done ATV riding. I'm irritated. I got mud all over me. I got mud all on I have my glasses, my Kurt Geiger, my shoes. I'm not really worried about my shoes, my socks. I'm just really worried about my purse. My purse is on my hair. Only thing I'm really worried about is my purse. It's all on my strap. I got it off for the majority of the part, but it's all on my strap. So I'm gonna try to figure out how to. You can see I'm trying to calm myself down for a day and start getting Chick-fil-A. We're finna go jet ski in a minute too. Once we get done eating. I am irritated. I'm ready to go back to the house. I just need to take a shower. I'm mad about my purse. Okay, y'all, so we here at the jet skiing place. I'm leaving. Ooh, it's about to, it's raining. I'm about to leave my camera in here though. I'm gonna try to record off my phone. I'm leaving my glasses in here too. I'm gonna be riding behind my boyfriend, so it should be cool, but now it's raining, so let me close. Oh Lord! Oh! Wait!
Hey man, stop with this big ass way.
Okay, so y'all, it's 8:27 and we about to go try this place called Taste Bud. It's way different from where we at. So, y'all hear that rain? Yeah, it's crazy. I'm gonna get back with y'all later though. Okay, so y'all, it's currently 9:45. Just look back. So I got the Cajun Alfredo, and they scammed. They ran out of noodles, so they gave me them, and some barbecue wings. This is how it look.
Vacation ain't Cajun.
That's good though. It smells good. Marion got some wings and shrimp. What you got? Honey. It's a good though. Voila. Okay, y'all, we back in the food. So I rated 7 out of 10. You rated?
7.
I don't even know if we just showed you, but yeah, y'all, we leave tomorrow morning at 11. So I'm gonna get back with y'all later because I'm about to get in the shower. Okay, so y'all, I never did an outro. So yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned because the queen will be starting posting weekly, as y'all can tell. Period. Yeah.